Instagram Reels are becoming one of the most important ways that businesses, yes, businesses, can connect with their dream followers and ideal customers online. In this video, we'll explore all things Instagram Reels and how you can utilize it for your business. Trust me when I say you are not alone if you're confused on how to post on Reels and what to actually post. We will be creating a Reels content plan complete with examples of brands that are doing Reels really right and all the tips you need for publishing and optimizing your Reels content. And be sure to stay tuned till the end. I'll be sharing a case study on what it would look like and what results you can expect if you only posted Reels for 30 days. So let's dive right in. First of all, why are Instagram Reels even important in the first place? Reels are this new form of content that was kind of birthed from TikTok. Really short form, micro types of videos that are under 60 seconds, under 30 seconds, and they really give viewers a really great insight or quick tip or inspiration just by watching this short form video that they can loop and rewatch, and that is really kind of the future of video. So let's walk through the 4 places that you can actually discover and find Instagram Reels. So first of all, you can find it in the center of your screen where there is its own Reels tab for scrolling and watching these looping videos. And then you have your regular Instagram feed. So just like where carousels and IGTV videos would be, this is where Reels that are shared to the feed will be viewed. And what I've really noticed is that Reels that are on the feed can be almost a week old and still getting a lot of views and reach and engagement. And then they can also be shared onto Instagram stories for a 15-second preview. This is a really great way to tap into your Instagram stories audience and get views over to your Reels channel. And then the last place that you can have your Instagram Reels is under the Reels tab on your profile. So this is where all of your Instagram Reels videos will go, where people that are on your profile can discover them and binge all your Reels content. So if you're wondering a little bit about how Reels can go viral, I found that there's 2 main factors that have contributed to this. One being that your Reel is a little bit more general, meaning it's gonna reach a broader audience. And the other factor meaning that you're utilizing trending audio and music in your video. But I want to preface in saying that if you're a small business, this might not always be the route that you want to go. Just because you're getting millions of views on a video doesn't mean it's always helping you reach your goals. So before we dive into the 3 main types of Reels that you're going to be creating in your content plan, I want to let you know I have a whole video going over my content creation process for Reels that's going to be linked in the description. So let's dive right into the 3 main types of Instagram Reels that you're gonna see. The first one is education. So this is where you want to teach people how to do something, give them a really quick tip or hack, or demonstrate something. This is really great for positioning your brand as an expert in whatever it is that you do that is really going to solve a problem for your ideal customers and clients. And here are some examples of how to utilize educational Reels. The first being a style that I love to utilize, and that is actually talking to camera, just like what I'm doing right now. This is a really great way to humanize your brand when creating video content, but also offering a ton of value. As you can see in my talking to camera Reels, I'm really teaching on Instagram strategy and tips, which is exactly what my offers and courses are about. And another way that this educational Reel can be done is actually by demonstrating how to use a product. This is a really great Reel example if for whatever reason you don't want to show your face on video. If you're struggling with how to create ideas for your educational Reels, a really great way is by looking at what are the frequently asked questions that you're getting from your customers or clients, and how can you make a Reel that's addressing those. Creating Reels around the solutions or tips that your product or offer provides is another way that you can educate your audience without pushing your product too much. So now let's dive into the second content type, and that is entertainment. And this might be what you think about when you think of Instagram Reels, the dancing, the pointing, but I want to preface that you absolutely don't need to do any of those types of video styles. It just means leveraging the trends and the audio and the music to really make sure that you're staying current in the Reels culture. Entertaining Reels are really great for creating that relatability factor because they're utilizing humor and they might have a lot of energy with utilizing dancing or a lot of movement that's really going to draw your viewers' attention to your Reels. And if for whatever reason you don't have music on your Instagram Reels, you can still leverage these trending sounds and audios. If you go onto a reel where you find music that you want to use, you're going to tap Use Original Audio, and then you'll see the option to either save the audio to use for later or tap Use Audio, where then you can film your reel and utilize that trend. So it's really important when you're utilizing these types of entertaining reels is to make sure that it makes sense for your brand voice and feels authentic to you. One of the benefits of using these types of entertaining reels is you're able to have a built-in format of how to create these videos by seeing how other people are using these trending audios. And the last content type for your Instagram Reels is inspiration, which essentially is just telling a story. And this is really great from sharing that struggle to success story or sharing the transformations of yourself or your own clients and customers. As you can see in this example, it's a really great way to kind of celebrate a huge milestone in your business with your customers. And this brand is showing how one of their new products actually got into a big name store. This type of video is actually a really great way of utilizing clips that you might already have on your phone and putting them together so they truly tell a story. And as you can see, I'm doing a very similar format. I took a bunch of videos that I had on my camera roll from this season of when I was dreaming of a certain goal, and then I shared the end goal that I actually achieved. While we talked about the 3 main types of Instagram Reels, you might just use whichever one feels the most authentic to your brand with this type of video format. Or what I found really helpful for my own brand is actually by doing a hybrid combining entertaining with educational reels. So as you can see in this reel, I'm utilizing a trending sound to really grab their attention and utilize that entertainment factor, but I'm using the text and the caption of the reel to really educate my audience and give a ton of value there. As for next steps with your content plan, the first thing you want to do before posting is start consuming. This is going to really help you understand the culture of how other brands and businesses are utilizing the apps, and it's going to inspire some trends that you can start off with. And once you start posting your Instagram Reels, you're going to want to start looking at the analytics to see what performed well and how you can create more of this. There's a few metrics that you can look at to see what's performing well. So first of all, you can just look at your Reels tab and see how many views, comments, and likes your videos are getting. To see even more in-depth metrics, you're going to want to go to your Insights tab, and that's where you're going to see the impressions and reach of your account. And you're also going to be able to see how many new followers your Reels are attracting. And you have these features if you have a creator account or a business account. Like I mentioned, this isn't an exact science. So you're going to want to put together those vanity metrics, those likes, comments, and views, and how they are going to relate to impressions, reach, and followers. That's going to give you a really holistic view on how Reels are helping your account grow, or maybe what you need to tweak in your strategy. Now you're probably wondering, how often do I need to be creating all of these Reels? I want to start with a sustainable strategy that's still going to help you see really great results. The more Instagram Reels you create, the better results you're going to see. So 3 to 4 Reels are a really great starting point. And when it comes to should you delete Reels that don't perform as well, do not delete your Reels, because even if one Reel doesn't perform well, it might actually boost another Reel to perform a little bit better. The key to your Reels content strategy is really focusing how you can give valuable content to your followers and also the people you want to attract to your Instagram. So while you can occasionally sell and promote your launches and campaigns, you really want to focus on valuable Reels content. As promised, I'm going to be sharing a case study on what happened when myself and other business owners only posted Reels on our account. The group that participated in these 30 days of posting consecutive Reels was a really big mix. Some people had only 100 followers, some people had thousands of followers, and some people were product businesses and other people did services. So it really gave us a good idea on how Reels performed for everyone. Those business results looked like an increase in their leads and sales on their products. And for my personal results, I saw my video views starting around 1,000 to 2,000, now averaging 10,000 views per video. And I also saw a huge increase in my following. I increased 5,000 followers just during the 30 days, and I've seen sustained growth since using Reels. Just by mastering this very short form type of video, it's really helped me feel so much more confident with my other types of social media video strategies. And I really want to encourage you to take this challenge. Test out using Reels consecutively for 30 days and posting them on your feed. I guarantee you're probably gonna see some really great results. The next step in your content plan is creating your Instagram Reels. So in this playlist, I have a video on how I outline, create, and film my Instagram Reels, and also some editing tips for you. And here's another video that you might like, and I'll see you there.